This is now week 2 of the challenge. You already know, it's not really a challenge. It's more like a pursuit of greatness. So right now we have a couple potential trades. We have on gold and US 30 and CAD. And I don't know, but for sure. Let's see for sure. CAD JPY is still flowing through, did not fall through the trend, but that's all right. We still got other trades. This, I was waiting for a larger break and retest off this area, but I didn't get any. But could have potentially taken this trade right here. And moving on to the next one, I'm still looking for this break and retest off this area to get that nice break and retest, in which we are still waiting for this area to come over here to retest it like it did here one time, and just to take this trade all the way up to the upside. So let's put this all the way to the top. Your GP, I could have taken the sell, but I was looking for buys. I didn't. I should have, could have, would have, but it's all right. You know, shit happens. Me, I am still looking for a potential buy off this area. As you can see, all time frames are pointing bearish actually. So I'm looking for sells off this area right here, in which I'll be fixing this shortly. Probably to right here. I'm putting my area of interest over here to potentially get a break and retest off this area, which would be perfect for a potential sell. We'll see for sure what the market gives me. Everything takes time, it's all patience, you know. The first day of the week, Sunday, 4/28/2024. Bro, I know eventually I'm gonna get this fucking car. I'm gonna get that car. It's there. I'm currently reading Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life. It's pretty good. I've used some of the tactics already today. I feel a lot better, I feel more calmer, and I feel more like able to listen. I'm only like 40 pages in, but it feels good, you know, having that feeling. So I'm waiting for you. I'm actually kind of excited for US 30 and gold, because they tend to move a lot quicker than Forex. But let's do this, and I'll talk to you guys on the next day, because I'm not waking up for London, because I don't see any potential trades. So let's go.
It's just they told me that seniors are about to be cleared to
Bro, market update. It is currently 12:58 p.m. We're already past New York. And so far we're having a whole bunch of breakouts for London tomorrow. So right now we have 3 possible setups tomorrow. On GBP USD, come with a breakout here, beautiful breakout, and a possible retest if it does reach up there, which I am hoping for to catch a trade. I'm currently in fucking Matrix, but you know what it is. I just here. But it's whatever. Alright, focus on the charts. We're trying to make some money while everyone's having fun. So look, we have possible breakouts here too on entity CAD as well, to be getting this area we're looking for at this actually, so resistance has now been support if it does continue to reject off this. I don't know if this for sure will be like a possible tomorrow, like for London or New York, as it may need some more time. This is 4 hour. This is beautiful. GP CAD is falling through like promised for a possible break and retest, and converting these bearish daily and 4 hour to potential bullish, which gives us that possible trade that we are looking for to stick to the upside, which would be perfect. So I see we can count up to 4 or 5%, and it's only day 1. I have not taken a trade at all. We're looking at possible trades tomorrow, so I'll catch you on London. It is currently day 2 of the challenge. I don't know if you can fucking hear me at all, but it is fucking raining in Miami. Mark my words, I'm gonna be driving my 720S in this rain next to my school, bro. Passing by, going straight to the gym. Because we had a good day in the trade, 20K up. Mark my fucking words. I'm gonna be doing that shit. Let's fucking go. Just got into a trade right now on UPUSD for a break and retest. 61.8 fib and daily and weekly EMA. This is mostly bearish structure, as you can tell. 57.8 fib. And every other confluence have Splash the Daily giving us the best. So let's see what we get. We're currently week 2 of the challenge, day number 2. And we are currently up in a position around 500 bucks. Oh. As you know, we're already in school here. So let's see what we catch in London. I'll let you know what happened later. Let's get it. Market update. It is currently 10:54, 4:30. We are on the second day, going on to the third, and it is going great. The trade that I took during New York is flowing, and I am up in profit. As you can see, this is on the 4-hour time frame having here. So we're looking maybe at a 3-hour multiple. This is probably what I cut it off. But if we follow this area, this trend line, then we'll be looking at a 6-hour multiple around here, or 5. But I'm probably gonna take it around 3 just to secure my account for a 3% trade, which is perfect and done. However, we might have a possible trade on your USD. It is a break and retest setup. It did break out already. It kind of tested this area. So by the time it breaks out, it'll probably form a left head possible right shoulder formation to the downside, in which we are looking for a possible psych level, which would be perfect for this trade. I mean, it's going great. This trade's going really nice, right? But the only thing that I fear is tomorrow's news. And I understand people who trade forex don't really go with the news too much, but tomorrow's news is really going to be hectic. But now I have a trade that's perfect, and I have a possible trade for the next couple of days, or whenever it comes back to it. It should be great. So hopefully we get 6% this week, or 3. Everything's fine. But let's do this. Let's go, motherfucker. Let's go. Yo, we are back on today number 3. It is a Wednesday, and the trade is going down. However, in London, it had a little pull up. So we'll see. I think it might have the reason it's trying to pull up because of news. But let's see if we get a 3-hour multiple, or we get break even. Because I'm not trying to taking a loss in this trade, as I was up like 1.5% of the account. But anyways, the trade's going well. News, there's gonna be a lot of news. I think there's one at 8:15, 9:30, 9:45 actually, and 10. And then at 2, there's news as well, which high impact news. So there's gonna be a lot. So let's see what the market gives us. I don't know if I should hold, because last time you saw that when I held during news, I lost 2% instead of 1% and went above my stop loss. It was just kind of weird. But we'll see for sure. I don't know, I'm gonna decide yet, but I have to decide really quickly. But I'll let you know during news. Bro, just got a position at 7:49. How to get out because of high impact news throughout the whole fucking day. So let's get out. As you can already tell, I got out of the trade during 8 because of the news, and not just only that, but a lot of rejections off that area. Got only 1%, which is kind of a gamble if you think about it. But we have a lineup for USD, which would be perfect. Waiting for that retest on that point to get a 50% fib, 4-hour EMA, and a break and retest, which is the 3 solid points that I always look for in a trade. But let's see what we get in London. I'll see you later. It has not been long since my last market update, but seriously, the trade that I was in went straight back to negative. Luckily, I was able to get out because I believe there's multiple projection at that point, which was perfect because my analysis was great. And it shows me as a trader that I'm learning from the previous mistakes as well. Because I know for sure in November, I would have just stayed in the trade to get more and be greedy. But our 1-to-1 ratios is horrible. It's good. It's more of a gamble in a sense. But I'm able to be 1% up the trade. Or my account, I'm able to be 1% up my account, which is perfect. And I am thankful for it. But now on Euro USD, I have a possible trade, and for a possible GBP CAD, which I'm going to be taking soon. Right now, I'm going to the gym. I'll let you guys know later during around 10 to see if the trade on Euro USD may be playing out. Market update. It is currently 11:21 May 1st, which we are looking at. we are going to be looking for multiple pairs for GBP CAD, AUD/USD, and EUR/USD. So let's check this out. So on GBP CAD, we have a possible break and retest on a 4-hour time frame. Look here, we have all time frames on a bullish control area. So what we're simply looking for is the break, which has happened already. We're simply looking for the market to pull back exactly to around here, to have a 50% fib plus a 4-hour EMA, and just another confluence of a multiple candle rejections. Because if we look back in time, you see that it rejects off this area multiple times, and you can see that very quite often throughout the days, which I usually do these resistance lines and support resistance lines on a daily time frame, as it's more supportive and the box allows me to see where the market may go along these levels to. And for AUD/USD, we have a simple break and retest here. I mean, I like to call this kind of a reset, as the market likes to come here and possibly just keep passing, as it hasn't really retested this area that I'm looking for exactly, in which I'm not going to trade this unless it gives me a shift of structure for a possible inverted, if you say left head right shoulder, possible right shoulder, which we have no idea for sure if this will definitely happen. So on EUR/USD, I was going for sells mostly, but since the news came out and broke through it, I possibly don't know for sure, but I'm wishing for it to come back here to break down. We will see for sure what the market gives us. So those are my top 3 picks for the list, and let's see what London gives me, which I'm probably not gonna stay up for. I'm not seeing enough trades for me to stay up for. Also, like, one tip that I have for you guys when it comes to trading is to journal every single trade that you go through. And the journaling website that I use, I mean, it's not really journaling, it's called Notion. I use Notion all the time. This is the watch I'm gonna buy when I get my funded account. It's not the February trading journal anymore. It's more whatever. And I've gone through all my lists. You can see that my trading has slowed down a lot, because this is not really accurate to the point, because I started in November, like early November, but now it is May. And as you see, my trading has slowed down dramatically. These 2 weeks, my account was kind of shut down. I don't know why, but as you can see, my trades have been a lot lower and slower. And since we had a green day, I'm gonna do my journaling for my GBP. Was it CAD? It was GBP/USD. My green day, only 1%, which is still good. Now we are up 1.4% of the account, which we are missing the rest to go. So let's get to it, and I'll get back to you guys during New York. All right. Today's a new day for life, for living. You always gotta be grateful for these days, because you never know when you'll have a moment like this. You never know when the sun will shine again. You never know when you'll wake up again. We always gotta be grateful for this. And that's what I do every day. I love walking outside, especially for going to school. That's why I don't take my car anymore. I love walking, feeling the sun on you for like the first 15 minutes. It feels great. I feel more alive. I wake up more. It's wonderful. And I believe today I might take a trade. So I'll catch y'all in New York when I may be taking a trade. I may not. Let's get it. Market update. It's currently 12:52. I did not take any trades at all. Luckily I didn't. If I would, that would have been stopped out. I have a possible trade for London on GBP CAD, I believe. So we'll see what I get for London. But right now, in this fucking matrix situation, and let's see what we can catch in London, because you never know what happened. All right, let's get to it.
You know what? You guys see this guy in here? You should trust this motherfucker, because I'm his fucking mentor. He has been doing some amazing jobs. He has been doing some great ass shit. Going through hard times, going through this, going through that, going through a lot of bullshit. And he's still up. He's still doing some amazing shit. So keep it going, bro. Keep it going.
But one thing for sure, the reason why I'm really doing this challenge and everything else, is obviously to make money, but to share like where I'm coming from as well. Like right now, I'm walking to the gym. It's like 6 miles away, Plus, I don't have any gas money, like, at all. I don't have nothing. I'm like -6 in my account. So, like, I got trading is like my only income that I can be making, and I know I can do because of the trades, my knowledge, everything else I've been doing, because I've been doing this for like 6 months. But I know it's not a lot of time, but I've learned so much. There's so much growth that I've had that I believe that I can do this, right? And I know I'm gonna get out of this fucking situation. I know that I'm not gonna have to fucking walk to the gym no more. I'm not gonna have to worry about money. So hopefully this comes to you and really like changes and any of your faces right now. Because I have to go to the gym that day, because I've made my message to my people that I present to every 3 days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, to go to the gym. And I have to show them that I do too, and to be consistent. So there's no point of me just pussying out just for a walk. So let's fucking do this. I'm gonna get out of the situation, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Every single trade I take will be shown to you. I'll probably be making group chats for this, Telegrams, WhatsApp, whatever it takes, Discords, just to show you how simple the markets can be, and how if they present themselves right for you, that you can capitalize on them. So let's go. Let me get to the gym. We're almost there to the gym. Bro, I am fucking exhausted, bro. And then on my way back, same thing. This is the funny part. Oh, I'm a good walk. I'll let you know in the gym. What is up? It is currently almost about 11 session, and it's 1:19 a.m. on Friday. So this is the 5th day we are on. Right? To you guys, this may seem like nothing. It'll be a couple minutes. To me, this has been 5 days that's been for the second week, and I'm going to be happy. I'm up 1% of the count. I know it's not a lot. A 1-to-1 risk to ratio is not the best, but I am currently waiting for a position on London session right now. Let me show you. It's 1:20 now, and I'm waiting for this position to open up. As you can see in the higher time frames, we are looking for a kind of a break and retest and possible shift of structure here to prove that this is changing. That the structure will be from this and to break up to here, in which I'm looking for a retest on a higher time frame or on here. If I don't, then I'm probably gonna take the trade and get a lower risk to reward ratio, which is probably a 3R multiple or a little bit more. We'll see. My stop loss will be under this wick, and we'll see what the market gets me. This is basically what I do to wait for like my trade setups, and I have to journal, do my journaling real quick, and just see what I got for the day. All right, I go through all of these pages. I already finished my other journal for journaling, but I'm currently waiting for this position for a 4-hour EMA. Let me show you. For 4-hour EMA, right, rejecting off of it, plus 50% fib, and a break and retest, which is 3 confluences. And on this support level we are looking at, which is going to be perfect. All I have to do now is just wait for the market to give me what I want and just set. Let's do this. I'll let you know when I hit it. Just got into a trade right now. It is currently 2:23. I got in 2:15 after the big engulfing. It didn't go down like I wanted it to, but it's still a beautiful rejection. And let me show you why. Here, as you can see, rejected off this area right across here. If you look at the higher time frames, you can see that it's rejected off this area beautifully, making a break and retest clean, plus 4-hour EMA and 50% fib. All signals going bullish. So the upside for a possible 3.7R multiple. So let's see, we'll get our account up. We are currently down 100, but that's fine. You know, that's what happens when the market opens. As long as this closes bullish, we should be fine. I mean, even if it closes bearish, it's all good. You know, we're in a trade. Let's fucking go. I'll let you know in the morning. What is up? It is currently 7:30. I'm late for school again. Bro, who cares? But anyways, to the trade. It currently, I was up like 9,000, but I didn't get out because that's still a gamble. Anyway, I would have. There's no way I would have gotten out. The only reason I got out last time is because it was like rejecting at that point way too much. So, but this time it's beginning to retest. Like it went up and then retest down to the lowest point. It's exactly what it's doing. So I ain't time for the market to reject off that area soon or whatever. And let's see what the market gives me because so far it's flowing. And that's why I like to see. I like to see the market flow like that. So let's get it. I'll talk to you guys in New York. Currently 9:02 in school. News has hit here. Making a pretty quick. But if you look in 4 hour or 1 hour, it's just nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's all fucking. Look at that. I'm gonna hold up to here probably like 4K if possible. Maybe 3. This is around 3K. So there should be 4 around there. But let's see what we can get. This is looking really nice. I like the momentum to the upside. But New York is just on. So let's see what happens. Oh, what the fuck? What is this? I was up like 2K, bro. What's up, guys? This is the end of week number 2. It was amazing. We took two trades, which is basically our limit for any like trade in the week. I only take 2 trades in a week, and we had taken 2 of them. One was on Monday, I believe, or Tuesday, and now we took one on Friday. And I'm still in the trade, even though it's in the weekend. You can hold. I'm holding because my funded company, Rocket 21, allows me to hold. So currently, I am up 2% of the account, 2.5%. But this trade is on the route to a possible 4%. So let's see if I get my account for 5%. And then next week, on week 3, let's see how much we can make. You know, there's a lot of lessons we learned, there's a lot of things. But that's the life of trading, you know. I believe that I'm going to be successful with this. I really believe in that because my techniques, the skills, the mindset, everything that I've done to really improve myself has been fixated on this. And everything else, maybe the route I want to take for business. This is not just a short route for me. This is something I have to build an empire for. But right now, sitting at 2.5% of the account, amazing. I haven't been up 2.5% of the account, which is phenomenal. Because this is a good thing. Because it shows that I am improving and this trade's gonna pick me up more. Yo, we got this. So let's see what we get for week number 3, and let's get it. Let's go and give it the 110%, and let's do this. You.